Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to wash up my car. We've got some more products from DIY Detail. We're going to hit it with the Incredisuds. Love this soap, it's super sudsing, and we're going to use this in the foam cannon. We'll wash the vehicle. After we finish washing it, we're going to hit it with the Quick Beads. Now this is a product that you spray and rinse off, so it's going to add protection really fast. I'm just topping over my other protection, which it does a great job at that as well. And we're going to do that. We'll finish up with some tire dressing that they have. Haven't used that. And also the crystal clear window cleaner. So the only one I've used is the Incredisuds. I know it's fantastic, but the other three products I have not tried, so we're gonna try them today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into this. And my car has not been washed for a while. I know it's white, but it is very dirty. You can see I've been going through a lot of dust storms here, and there's just stuff all over it, so it needs a good wash. Okay, and I've got this foam cannon here. Now it has Incredisuds in it. So I've used Incredible Suds, and then I've used it down, I've filled it with water, used it down, filled it with water. This is about my 4th time using this. I'm not gonna add any more of this. I'm just gonna fill this with water again. So this will be like my 5th time, I think, using the same amount of Incredible Suds. As you can see, it is right there. That's where it's at. Last time I used it in a bucket and in the foamer. So if you look back a few videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. We're just going to add water to this and we're going to go. Have no idea, but I think it's still going to be sudsy. Okay, so like I've said, I just put more water in an already diluted foam cannon that's been used like 3 or 4 times. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's check it out. So at about using it, the Incredible Suds diluted through the foam cannon 3 or 4 times, bringing it down to 1/4 of the bottle and filling up. This is probably about my 5th time using it. You can see it is still plenty of suds. It is a good mixture now. It is running off the car, bringing down all that dirt and debris. Is it shaving cream thick at this point? No. Will this work? Yes, it will for my pre-foam. Could I add more? Of course. You want it thicker? This stuff's crazy thick. So very, very cool. You can see it on there. Looks fantastic. And you just see it working its way off the car, bringing all the dirt down. So very, very interesting soap. I think it's becoming one of my favorites. And just because you can keep using it, it never stops. right, guys, and what I forgot to pull out was the All Clean. That's their all-purpose cleaner. So let's try some of that on the tires here. I'll spray the wheel down. Now I'm just gonna do a light tire cleaning. Pretty clean on that. Now I didn't wash these, but they're not real dirty, and you can see the protection on them is still good. So I'm gonna roll like that on all 4 wheels. This stuff has like a, I don't know, a little bit of a clean scent to it. I like it. I don't know what the scent is. Very mild. All right, so since I got the wheels washed, on this wheel I didn't actually touch the actual wheel, I just did the tires, but on all the other ones I did scrub them. But we're gonna use, at this point, the quick beads, and this is something you just spray on and you let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute. We're not in real direct sunlight. The back wheel is in a little bit. Smells like a grape. I want to say they're kind of on that grape theme there. So once you spray this on, now we're starting with the wheels since they're clean, and we'll go on to the paint after I wash the car. Once you spray it on, you just rinse it off. So we've got the car all washed. We washed the wheels. We did a quick job on the wheels, but we sprayed them afterward with the quick beads. All right, now we've washed the car. We did a foam, rinse, hand wash, rinse. So how are we gonna seal this car up or add protection, you say? With quick beads, and it's gonna be quick and easy, just like it says. Now, most of the time you probably don't wanna work in a hot or direct sunlight environment, but I think right now it's only about, I don't know, 80 degrees, which is real nice. It's starting to get cooler here. So what we're gonna do is make sure the car is nice and wet. We're gonna spray this on, and we're probably gonna work in sections the size of the hood. So the hood will work like quarter panel to front door to rear panel. We'll let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute, and then we'll rinse it off. This is gonna add protection or top off your old protection. It's the way to do it. Really, really easy way. Let me show you. Okay, so the hood is wet. I'm gonna do my bumper. And since I'm here, the front fenders. Now, this product actually gives you a nice time zone from 30 seconds to a minute. Let's get crazy with it. All you do is let it sit and rinse. All right, you want to see what the beads look like up close? So guys, you can see I've already got the whole front end of the car protected. The beads are amazing. It's super fast and easy. I'm just gonna continue down the sides, and I'm gonna spray it on the glass too. Why not? Let's get it all coated up. All right guys, another cool feature about the quick beads here is I've got the whole car now protected in the quick beads. Beads like crazy. I don't need to use a drying aid now. I can just use my towel and go dry it. This is the drying aid. So you protected and added a drying aid at the same time. So let me finish drying the car now. Glacier 1100. Okay, so we've got the car washed, sealed, dried, blow dried. Now all we got to do is dress the tires and clean the glass. So which one do we do first? Well, let's just use common sense. The sun's coming out, the glass is heating up. Let's do the glass. All right, we've got some crystal clear here. We've got one of these nice window towels. These are like mini, oh, I don't even know who sells them, but Mini Rag Company drying towels. These are just excellent for windows. They've got the grooves. They work really good. Ken John sent me a bunch of towels, and we're gonna use them. So. product works really nice. Smells a little bit of alcohol, but works really nice. All right, last but not least, we've got the tire dressing there. I've got an old applicator. Let's spray some of this on here. I suppose you could spray it on there, but I just feel it's safer, easier, like this. Gives a nice look to it, guys. Nice dark look. Wiped in. We're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna go around all 4 tires and we'll come back and see how it is after it dries. All right, guys, if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button for me. Today we're talking about the DIY details, some more products I got to use. Now, these products you can find at idscarcare.com. IDS carries all the DIY detail products as well as a plethora of many other brands and products. So these ones, we started with the Incredible Suds. I've used it before. It's a high concentrated formula. You only need a little bit. If you follow the directions on here, you're gonna have suds coming out of everywhere. It's a very fun product to use. So we foamed the car, we rinsed it, and we washed it. During that time, I pulled out the All Clean. This is their all-purpose cleaner, and it's a ready-to-use formula. I use it just to scrub down the tires and the wheels a little bit, and it did a fantastic job. Got them clean enough to where I was very happy and able to spray on the Quick Beads. Now, the Quick Beads is a spray and rinse protection sealant type of product. This one is graphene infused ceramic sealant. All right, that's what the bottle says. All you do is wash an area, you spray this on, you let it dwell for 30 to 60 seconds, and you rinse it off with high pressure. It's that easy, that simple. We did the wheels, we did the paint, we did the glass, we did the plastics, we did the whole car on the exterior with this product. It beads like crazy, and it also performs as a drying aid. So once you're done spraying and rinsing this product, you dry your vehicle. We used a Glacier 1100 towel that dries the whole vehicle very fast. That's a McKee's Glacier 1100. From there, we went on to Crystal Clear. This is the only product that didn't have a real scent to it. Besides some cleaning, some window cleaner scent, smells like an alcohol or like a Windex type of scent to it, but it worked really well. Cleans nicely, no streaks. We used it as the sun is coming up here. Nice product there. And we finished off with the tire dressing. Very easy, just a few sprays. I did all 4 tires. I barely used any of it. It smells like a orange citrus type of scent, in my opinion. I don't know, I could be wrong. My nose is terrible, but it works really nicely and spreads easy, and I've let it dry. So now I'm gonna show you guys the car. I hope you guys liked the video. Check out DIY detail products at idscarcare.com, and let me show you the car. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.